Hey, what's up guys? Owen, the GFL spotter here, and I am officially back with another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys here in Shoreline Disposal how to work the arm, the forks, along with the grabber on these Curroto cans here in Shoreline Disposal in Roblox. By the way guys, I apologize for the lack of videos. I am on a very tight schedule. I have assignments that are due at the end of next week. And I need to make sure that I hand all of those assignments in. So, again, I apologize for the lack of uploads. Hopefully we'll have more uploads once I get into my next history unit, because the next unit in history is going to be like... it's going to take a longer period of time compared to this one. But in this unit, in my history class, I am in a rush, so I apologize. Anyway, let's get right into the video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm not going to say this at the end of the video because, again, I'm on a very tight schedule. And if you need any clarification, please let me know by writing a comment down below. Let's get right into the video. Okay, first off, we need to figure out how we can open and close the claws here. Now, it's pretty simple. All you have to do to open the forks here is you have to just hold down the 5 key. You don't need to press it, just hold it down until the Curroto can gets to this point. Like that. You want to make sure it matches the arms, while the arms are all the way back near the hopper here. Alright, to close the Curroto can while you're emptying it by dumping the stuff in the hopper here, all you have to do is just hold down the 1 key right here. Alright, once you've opened the forks of your Curroto can to lower the arms, you just have to hold down the fork key. During this process, you might need to adjust the Curroto can right here so then it doesn't touch the pavement once the forks are all the way down, like that. You just have to adjust it and then you're all set. Next, you would just drive up to the first curb. Next thing you know, the grabber is not extending, it's not opening or closing, and it's not raising and lowering. How do we fix that? Simple. All you have to do is just push the 7 key on your keyboard, and this will enable the grabber, so then you can open and close, raise and lower, extend and retract the grabber here on this Curroto can. Extend, retract, lower, raise, open, close, and there you go. Once you're done and the Curroto can is full and it needs to be emptied into this hopper right here, you just need to push the 7 key again. You need to repeat this process, but this time you're dumping the Curroto can. So you just push the 3 key on your keyboard. Again, during this process, you might need to you might need to just push the 5 key. It's better to be safe than sorry. That's all I can say right now. And then, to close the forks, you just have to hold down the 1 key. Like that. And then, when you're leaving your neighborhood, or you're finished your route and you're ready to go to the dump, you can just drive away while the forks are closed. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope it was really helpful. If it's not and you need clarification, please let me know. Remember to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys so much for 1,330 subs. I'm Owen, aka Owen the GFL spotter. And I am over and out.